Forgot what it's called. It's like called a non or something like that. Honestly, they're supposed to be nice to humans, but sometimes they can be deadly to humans, supposedly. Holy moly. Bro, imagine living next to this. Wow. How is it? Why is this abandoned? Like, why would you just leave this? Birds just flying all over. You got a dumpy. Hey, don't show bow. Do not show bow. Oh, I guess that one on the left's a guard. Wow. That is TOS. Oh, coconuts. It's a coconut tree. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that noise? What the hell? I ain't gonna lie, that was kind of creepy. I am not gonna lie. I am not gonna lie, that was kind of creepy. That was kind of fucking creepy. I am not gonna lie, that was kind of fucking creepy. What the fuck? Oh, hell. Let me get the hell out of here. I'm gonna show y'all the rest of this. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Dang, the ceiling done collapsed in. Damn, they really just left this place. Yeah, that's crazy. Chaotic, shut up. Don't make no jokes like that. That's crazy. History. What the hell? Just random bikers just showed up. Ugh. That was crazy. Oh, this one collapsed. This one broke, unfortunately. Huh? The Naga, yeah.
In Thai words, it's na, but in English it's na. It's been abandoned for more than 10 years, more than that.
10 years?
Yeah, I can go back and read the story behind it.
I wonder if you can get this reconstructed.
I'm not sure if it's like the infrastructure is still legit. I don't think so.
Mm.
It's just cool.
Swadee Cop.
Hi.
You guys traveling?
Where are you guys going? Chiang Rai? Oh, where are you guys going? Payao. Okay.
Payao. Wow. This is so wild. It's a temple. You should be fine. Yeah, you should be. I'm not going inside though. Definitely not going inside. It's not stable. Even though it looks cool, the inside like is collapsing. But it looks so good on the outside. Like it looks amazing on the outside, but on the inside it's yeah. And you could they put stuff up so you can't go in through the middle. I ain't gonna lie, it's creepy though. Did you hear that noise?
What noise?
You didn't hear that noise? When I was over there, there was like a loud ringing like I ain't gonna lie, it was creepy as shit. All right, well, Yeah, we're going back to get some eggs. So there goes the temple.